like it's little bat confetti all over my desk. I'm so excited. Hi everybody. Welcome to my channel. I am DaFemalePhenom, and today we are going to do a unboxing of Rebel Moon Cosmetics. So you guys, I don't know if you know how long I have been waiting to do this. This is my first unboxing, so bear with me. I'm going to try to do everything that a professional YouTuber does, because I am a professional YouTuber, because I'm doing unboxings now. So anyway, Rebel Cosmetics is a Black-owned makeup company. She has merch, she has makeup, and she is a goth lover. I'm so excited I can't even talk. She's a goth lover. So she is very, she's at the top of, and she's one of my faves right now. So I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. I will link all of her info down below so that you guys can make a purchase, and you guys can support this business because it is worth it. Unfortunately, if you do order, shipping might take longer than usual. And her website is currently under construction, so please, I'm going to give you her social media so you can check her out on Instagram, and you can get updates on when that website is up and running. Trust me, patience is a virtue, and it is worth it. Okay, it is worth the wait. So I am wearing one of her shirts right now, and it's Glampire by Rebel Moon. They do have plus sizes for us thick girls, so you guys don't worry, she has plus size available for you. It is worth the purchase. I also bought one of these shirts, Goth Knows No Color. I love it, and it's tie-dye. I have not worn tie-dye since middle and high school, so I was very excited to get this shirt. And also I have a mug. She has a mug, so I had to purchase that. I couldn't help. I was going to save this and open everything up at the same time, but I received the shipment first, and I couldn't help but open it. So that's why I brought these items out here to you guys so that you can see it. And this is my favorite one. I had to save the best for last. She did priority mail 2-day shipping, but unfortunately due to COVID, United States Postal Service messed up everyone's order, messed up everyone's delivery, mail delivery, all of the above. So I just received this today, and I grabbed it from the mailbox, took a nap, and then I woke up and said, you know what, I have to do this right now. So we are going to open this right now. Okay, so the packaging is, y'all know how much I love purple. Like, the packaging is amazing. I love that she put on here, handle with care, because it is makeup. And then I don't even want to tear this off because I wanted to save this as like a souvenir or something, because I made my first purchase with her and I really, really like it. Okay, so we're going to take this off. Take it off. Okay, so I won't ruin it because, okay. Can I take this off? I got a new sticker. Oh my God, wait a minute. Oh my God, you guys, this is the best. Okay, so these are all the items that I purchased. It says, thank you so much for joining the rebellion. I hope you enjoy your purchase. Loves it. Thank you so much. If you can see this, thank you so. Look at the packaging, guys. And I'm sitting up here stressing about this sticker, and I have another sticker. Are you kidding me? I got two stickers. Okay, so let's get into the nitty gritty, okay? Oh my gosh, she looks so pretty. This is the owner and the CEO of Rebel Cosmetics. So we have some cards, and then it has her website listed down below on camera. Jeez. Okay, so like I said, her website is under construction. If you are watching this video, it is in January 2021. So her website is under construction. So please be patient with her while she gets it back up and running, okay? And then I have a Rebel Moon sticker. I am a part of the rebellion. Did y'all hear my music? That was my, y'all don't care, just get to the makeup? Okay. I'm going. Sorry, this is her liquid lip leather, and it's in the color Crypt. It has a skull on the top of the lip gloss. It is amazing. I love it. Y'all know how much I love skulls. I was going to do a full face makeup, but I went and got my septum piercing, so I really don't want to put makeup around it right now. And even with me putting my shirt on and off, sometimes I forget and I hit it. So imagine me using a brush, like y'all would see the best. Y'all wouldn't see the best. I mean, this is Fatal Femme lashes. Okay, so this is her line of lashes. These are very, very full lashes. I love them. Let me just open them up so you can see them. I am going to have to look at how full they are. They are, oh my gosh. I wish y'all could. When I hear that sound on lashes and I feel like the softness, oh, this is amazing. She did her thing with this. Okay, this is one. And then I got, so these are her Lavish Faux Mink lashes, and these are in Jinx. I'm sorry, I have it upside down. These are in Jinx. And then these are my favorite. And these are my favorite because of the name, okay? First of all, the packaging, oh my God. I'm not even gonna throw this away after I get finished using it, because it's in a coffin. Do you see this? It's in a coffin, and it's magnetic, so it closes, and it has her emblem on it. Wait a minute, are these the ones? No, I'm sorry. These are the slasher lashes. I did it again. These are the slasher lashes. I love the way wait a minute, are these? Hold on a second. I think I got this messed up. She gonna like, you got me messed up. I think these are the slasher lashes. And these are the Jinx. Okay, so yep, because it's on the side. This is Jinx. So these are the Jinx lashes. Both of these are faux mink lashes. So they are, oh my God, Lavish. I'm going to be safe. I don't even know if I want to use these. Well, then again, yes, I do, because I use them and take them off and just clean the glue off. So I might do a makeup video and use these products so that you guys can see them. This is, I love it. Oh my God, and there's little confetti in here. I thought I had broke something. It's confetti, guys, and it's little bats.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. And it's like a little travel bag with it. You can use these to put your brushes in when you're traveling, or maybe if you want to just say, well, you know what, I'm packing all of my lippies. I'm going to put all of my lippies or all of my lashes in here. This is a very good marketing move and a very good use for a product. I love this. I love it. Look, it's little bat confetti all over my desk. I'm so excited. A makeup palette. And this one is the Rebel Moon First Edition palette. I got a First Edition palette, y'all. Okay, so, oh my gosh, look at this. I wish I could let you guys feel like it's so smooth. It kind of reminds me of like a spider web, but like a glam spider web. I love this. And you get a mirror with it. Y'all can see all of my business on the camera. It's like, oh my, and it's glitter. So I don't want to dabble in these. I really want to like do, hold on, let me do something. I'll do one for you guys, but I do not like doing this. Here is a swatch. So it's very pigmented. It's very pigmented. And I think this will last a long time. Also, it's magnetic so it won't pop open. So this is amazing. And next we're going to move on to my favorite Qween Slasher palette. Look at this. And it's in a VA. It's so cute. It's in like a little VHS tape. When you think of slasher movies, you like the first 80 slasher movies, you think of it in like a VHS, right? And the fact that she packaged it like this, I knew I had to get it. I had to get it. So you slide this out like this. I can't wait until I get my own streaming, vlogging / makeup room so that I can have like stuff like this sitting up like a showcase. So this could be sitting behind me and somebody is like, "Oh, what is that?" This is from Rebel Moon Cosmetics. Okay, so her colors are Ghostly, Flicker, Flushed, Panic, Hero, Terra, Freddy's Fedora. Oh my God, it matches Freddy's Fedora. Basement, Smother, Scream, Bruised, Innocent, Swamp, Fatal, and Potion. So let's try Freddy's Fedora. Or should we try Terra? I'm gonna just do this. Okay, so we're gonna try Terra. Oh my, look at this. This is Terra. Can you guys see it? When I tell y'all I'm going to hit pan on this, I am going to hit pan on this, and I am going to, let me tell y'all something. I'm going to hit the pan on these. Zay, let me tell you something. I hope you save my credit card information because I am going to be buying everything, okay? Everything, okay? This is amazing. I'm so glad that I got these products. I have been looking for horror goth makeup products to use. I want to start doing makeup on my channel. I usually do it on stream. I stream on Twitch, so I usually do it on stream, but I wanted to save the best for last, and I wanted to highlight black makeup companies, makeup horror companies, and save them for my YouTube channel, so that you guys can gain access to them and you guys are able to use them. So I'm very happy. I'm so sorry that I did not use any of the products today due to my piercing, but there will be some product usage as soon as this heals up. Overall, I give this company a 100, okay? I give it a 100. I think that she did a very good job with this product, the packaging, the delivery. So I can't wait to use this. I can't wait for you guys to see this. This is amazing. I'm going to order more lippies as soon as UPS gets their stuff straight, or I might just message her and see if maybe she can, if I pay extra, if she can like do some shipping without using United States Postal Service. I know at this time it's most affordable, and a lot of business owners like to use it for tracking purposes, but I'm going to check with her and see if maybe I can use another form of delivery service, because I really want to order from this company in the future. I strongly suggest that you guys do so, either not only because she's a black owned business, but because she's very nice. I've had the pleasure of talking to her. I was waiting for the shipments to come, and I told her, I know I said I was going to do an unboxing, but I wasn't lying. That stuff was coming. And she was like, I hope they give you your stuff soon. Don't worry. All of the above. So she's very nice and very sweet. And she packages all of her things with care. You can tell, even when I got my shirts, I wish I would have saved the shirts in the cup. I have never seen a cup package like this before. Usually when you get cups, they're like either put in a box and they're wrapped up. She had like she had something, it was like a piece of plastic. It was like a plastic cup holder, and she had one on the top, one on the bottom, and then she secured that and put it in a box, and that's how my shipment came, and that's how it didn't get broken. Y'all know how the delivery people go. Here you go. Oh God, I almost. But she made sure if that happens, that it does not. Also, she provides you with a much more accurate tracking service. That's how I was able to figure out where my packages were, because at the time, the United States Postal Service, their tracking process was like horrible. But her tracking system that she offered really provided accurate tracking updates. So please utilize that. If you are a content creator, please give this lady some props. And please do a reveal. We need to get more of these businesses out here so that they are recognized and they are seen. If you are a makeup artist, please buy this. Please buy this. I don't know. I love stickers. I have stickers, y'all. I have stickers. I got 2 stickers. I'm excited about the product, but I'm excited about my stickers. Okay. That was it for my unboxing, guys. If you want to see more products, or if you have any recommendations of Black-owned horror makeup companies or Black-owned horror merch, and you would like me to check them out, please post them in the comments below. If you want to see me do makeup, I do special effects and body painting live on Twitch. If you would like to see that, that link is in the description, or you can find me on Twitch under DaFemalePhenom. Twitch.tv/DaFemalePhenom. Also, if you would like to follow me on social media, please do so to keep up with what I am doing. Also, if you guys like this, please like, subscribe, and share. That is the best gift that you could ever give a content creator, so please do so. And I will see you guys on the next unboxing video.